our trip starts. And the trip is, we started in São Paulo, but now we are in Frankfurt, and the trip starts here, the travel bug feeling starts here, because we are having a intercâmbio família. The girls are going to speak a lot of English now.
You are good.
I hope they learn more English this time. So now where are we going?
To Norway.
To Norway.
To Norway.
In whose house?
The house of Martin.
Yes?
You remember Martin?
Of course you remember Martin. Everybody remembers Martin. That's it. Here we are.
Something to play with?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Okay. How old are you girls?
I'm 9 and 10.
She's 7. Oh, you're big. All right. I have found something. So, I'm giving you the same stuff, but you don't have to fight. Oh, thank you very much. There you go, sweetie, and that's for you. Enjoy. My pleasure.
That's for you. My pleasure.
Almost 30 hours later.
I know. Oh my god.
Willkommen, willkommen. I came, my man, I came. I told you. Give me this. Give me the flag. I need to. Yeah, let's go.
I can't even imagine this.
Can you believe it? Just strange people around. We are the strange now.
Yes.
You are not the stranger.
The gringos. Vai gringo. Vai gringo.
We're the gringo.
Go gringo, go.
30 hours long.
Oh, it's so cold.
Molto stanco.
Molto stanco lei. Frio que tá nessa Noruega. Very cold. Noruega.
Cold?
Yeah.
And this is as dark as it gets.
Oh, yeah?
Olha, não fica mais
Não
escuro
fica mais
que isso.
escuro que isso. Estação, 00:20, P.
00:20 aqui. Olha como é que tá.
Martin, I did like this. Oh, yeah, it's almost the same size as my car.
Yes, that's um problema.
Nessun
problema, sim.
Let me help you with this because
Is it heavy?
this no, not so much. This one.
Together.
Let's go.
Insieme.
Insieme. Vai, vai. No. Oh. Yes. Maybe this way. Yeah, there you go. You can do it.
Can we do it? No, because of this one. Maybe the other way around.
Maybe the other way around, yeah. Maybe you can.
Let's see. Let's try that one. Let's see.
It goes, right? It goes. It did.
It did.
Oh, I have a lot of things here. Oh, no. Wait. Agora a gente vai no supermercado, né, Nani? Yes. Jeg er brasiliansk. Because I saw this on.
Espresso house. Oh. Single and ready to mingle.
Why is that?
Because then people can approach you, I guess.
Ah. Ah.
Is it for people to approach you?
Yeah.
How much is a banana?
150, 15 Norwegian kroners. Like
€1, 12 Norwegian krona. 123.
so that is euro is about
It's like 12 euros.
for one of these.
It's quite expensive. Let's go to pasta. Spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Yeah.
Hi people, and now I am in the supermarket in Norway,
Oslo.
Oslo.
Everybody speaks English?
No,
Not everybody, right?
not everybody. Everybody speak
Norwegian.
Norwegian.
Tomato sauce.
I speak English very well. No.
How do you want to do it?
I just thought we've just boiled the pasta. It's not that big casserole, you know. And then we heat it up a bit. And then if you buy some ham to have on side or something.
Yes. Compramos umas coisas aqui agora e deu mais ou menos 45 euros. Mas é bastante coisa até. É caro, mas não é tão caro assim como a gente acha que é.
Papa, come here, come here.
Calma, calma. Agora já acaba.
Okay. Are we gonna take all this with us into the boat?
Che bello!
Sì.
Dove la nave di Martin sta parcheggiata. Sì, parcheggiare is to park.
Ah. And here's the green buses because green buses outside the city center. Inside the city center is red buses.
Got it.
Perfetto. Molto intelligente.
Lo so.
Bavaria. My favorite boat is Bavaria.
Bavaria office.
So here we got a boat hotel. Can you remember what? Can you
It's a boat.
imagine what it is?
I can. I think I can. Båten.
Mama, it's supposed to be
Thank you. So Martin's got a boat, and we're going to go around Oslo Bay with the boat. Vai ser muito legal, muito legal.
Muito legal.
Muito legal.
Here is my boat.
Woo!
And to get in the boat, or Marilera, and Annalise, I hold here, and then whee!
I want to do this.
Always on the boat, you have to be
Isso.
careful.
Careful.
Because it can be
Essa
slippery.
fazer
See
isso.
here, Marilera. Here is okay, but here it's very.
Oh,
And also, when you walk down here,
because
it can be slippery.
I have a
É assim mesmo.
There you go. Marilada first. Here.
Okay.
Yeah. So, 1, 2.
Eu consigo, eu consigo. Oh my gosh.
Didn't touch. Ele disse que esse barco aqui é de 1977. Perfeito! Norwegian flag.
Look here.
So what is inside? Really nice. But it's quite old. But it's really cool. Really cool! What do you want me to do? Yeah.
What do you call that thing?
Ah, that thing?
Yeah.
Here? Like pink?
Yeah. That's nice.
And Uncle Martin went to the water.
Go! Vai me andar. Go!
Is it cool?
Is it cool?
What is the temperature like? What is the temperature?
21 maybe?
Ah, take us there. Okay, now we're gonna jump.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready. I was born ready.
Be careful.
Wait.
Wait.
It's good!
Buonissimo. Are you ready?
No!
Here we go.
Papa.
Go, 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 go.
Woo!
Are you ready?
Right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh my gosh! No!
How do we go back to this? Dá tua boca pra não molhar. Okay, so here we are in Marty's little boat in Oslo. See the boat, see the sea of Oslo and how the Norwegian people enjoy their summer nights. Yes, it's almost 9:30 p.m. now, and the sun is there. Yeah, really cool. We enjoyed a lot. The kids are sailing now. Yeah, that's it.
can go, you know, from the top, and down here we can go with the baseline. You know, this is the
Great.
tower. And tomorrow we might go on top of that hill. And also we got a very nice cafe called Frognerseter, where you can buy cinnamon bun and coffee and warm hot chocolate. Yeah.
Oh. Next time I come, I want you to buy a house here, okay? So for us. Holy moly.
Oh my god.
Oh my godinho.
If you go here,
That's really nice.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
You can't see that.
No.
I thought you could.
Nani.
Aqui já tá caindo. They jump from there, and then here they are flying, and already like, it's really steep. I had no idea it was like that steep.
Imagine how much clothes you have to put on.
Big.
outside the door.
But it was not a movie.
Se vocês vierem para a Noruega, venham para Oslo e vejam a rampa de esqui. Dá muito medo se você tá de perto.
Chegamos na casa do Martin. First day. Muito bom, muito bom. Ele mora aqui no 6º andar. Up there. Everything done? You got everything?
Yeah.
Did you see what I put here? My new flag.
Também